Hi, it's Sam Miller, RE/MAX Stars Realty. Wanted to give you a 60-second housing market update, let you know how things are going. The housing market, the year's not over. It's late December now, and we're already way ahead of last year. So 2012, we're up over 2011, and the year's not even over, so it's really a good thing. We're about 16% more home sales in Knox County than we were the prior year, so that's pretty amazing. Also wanted to let you know, and you may not know this, the interest rates that are available for 30-year fixed for owner-occupied, meaning a home that you're going to live in. Right now I just called First Knox National Bank, and they said 3.25 30-year fixed and 2.625 on a 15-year fixed. And so I ran a quick amortization just for example purposes. A $100,000 mortgage, a $100,000 loan, 3.25% interest, 30-year or 360 payment, $435 a month, which is just pretty close to about half what the average rent is here. Now, of course, that payment doesn't include taxes or insurance, but I've never seen a payment in 26 years of selling real estate for that loan amount that low. When I got into business in 1986, the rates were 11.5%, and a $100,000 loan at that time was $990. We're talking a payment that's less than half what it was 26 years ago. So if you need motivation to make a purchase, I think that's a big enough motivation to get in the new year with a new house with real affordable payments. And I hope you're doing great. Happy New Year. Sam Miller, RE/MAX Stars Realty.